What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. So without further ado, let's get started. Apple vinegar can be used in so many things and it has such powerful benefits. But in today's video, I'll be focusing on the usages and benefits that this ingredient can bring to our hair when using it correctly. So vinegar has a low pH level of roughly 2.5 to 3.5 and it's usually used to close the cuticle and give shine to the hair. So basically the hair has 5.5 pH level and everything that is higher than that will open the cuticle to receive some kind of treatment. So the first way I like to use apple vinegar is to add 100 milliliters of water and 25 milliliters of vinegar, place it in the spray bottle and apply it after washing the hair and hydrating it. So go ahead and apply it on the hair, leaving it for around 15 minutes and then just rinse it. You can just leave it like that, or you can use a conditioner afterwards if you prefer. It's very important to use it before the conditioner to balance the pH level of the hair, close the cuticle and fortify the hair, making it less breakable, more shiny and healthy. So the second way I use it is when I'm making an hydrating mask by simply adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar to a mask of your choice and apply it after washing your hair. Make sure you apply this mask layer by layer and leave it on the time recommended of your mask and then just finalize it as normal. You can also use a conditioner and then just style it as usual. Sometimes you make a treatment to your hair but it doesn't seem like it's working, and the reason for that is because the cuticle of your hair isn't closed properly. And the apple vinegar is an amazing product that will give you that result. Of course, there is other products that you can use to do this, but apple vinegar is just a cheaper and a very effective option. So the third way I use it is by simply combining 1 tablespoon of vinegar to my conditioner. The conditioner is used to detangle the hair and some of them have a very powerful action of balancing the pH of the hair and close the cuticle, but the vinegar is like a partner with the conditioner. Another way is to apply this conditioner as if it were a mask on the hair just for 3 to 4 minutes, no need to leave it for any longer, and then rinse it as normal. It really makes the hair super shiny and soft. So the fourth way to use the apple vinegar is by adding 1 tablespoon of it on your leave-in spray or cream. This will make the hair super shiny, soft and silky smooth. The smell goes away after the hair is dry and it just leaves the normal smell of your leave-in spray or cream. And then just style it as usual. Not forgetting to use your heat protection when you are using your hairdryer. So another way to use it is as a pre-shampoo. Just apply it to the ends of your hair, leaving it for 5 minutes and then just wash your hair as you would usually. The effect is just amazing as well. I love using this on my hair and it really makes a difference when it dries. The fifth way that I love using this is on my homemade remedies. I seriously love the effect that it brings to my hair, and if I am making an hydrating mask, it helps my hair maintaining the hydration for long. If you have any kind of masks, conditioner or leave-in that you don't really like, one of the best ways to make it better is to use this little remedy. You will see that it really makes a difference. Just by adding vinegar to that hair product that you don't really like, it can really uplift it. So the sixth way to use apple vinegar is to apply on the roots of your hair for people that have dandruff, itchiness, excessive skin flakes and oily hair. Using vinegar on the scalp can improve the condition, massively. Vinegar have lots of vitamins and minerals that help reducing the oil on the hair, and it also have an antibacterial action that will reduce dandruff and itchiness. Just apply it before you have your shower, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash your hair as usual. Some people don't use this because it might leave a smell on the hair, but it doesn't really bother me. Now what you can do is add 1 to 2 drops of lavender essential oil, or even nowadays you've got hair perfume and you can add some of that to your remedy. But if you use the vinegar, usually wash your hair so the smell will go completely anyway. These are the ways that you can use apple vinegar on your hair. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. Share and like this video, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!